can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Uniswap. Uniswap has a market cap of $4.88 billion. Uniswap is up 20% on the weekly, up 20% on the monthly, up 99% on a yearly time frame. How high can Uniswap go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we rally above that key price level where we got stuck in March 2024? Can Uniswap finally blast above the $16 level? And if we zoom out on a weekly time frame, can Uniswap take it a step further and make an attempt to rally to new all-time highs? In this video, we'll take a look at the Uniswap US dollar price chart on a daily and a weekly time frame. We'll take a look at news stories going around the Uniswap ecosystem. Uniswap launches its own layer 2 Unichain. Will that shoot the price going to the moon, or will that help us finally dump to Goblin Town? Let's talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. If you take a look at the altcoin market, guys, good times is slowly returning back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are quietly having gains on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly. Uniswap is enjoying that pump. The last 1 month has seen Uniswap rally up by 20%. If you take a look at the Uniswap US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, Uniswap is quietly making a bullish trend. But guys, the $1 billion question is, can we blast to new yearly highs? The highest Uniswap has traded in 2024 has been the $16 level. We've seen Uniswap try to rally back to that $16 level in July of 2024. We got stuck around the $11 level, and right now, with Uniswap trading around the $8 level, all hands is on deck for us to pump to higher values. But Uniswap is pumping to higher values. You might be wondering, why is the price suddenly rising? Why is Uniswap suddenly having a very nice time? A lot of speculation is around Uniswap launching its own layer 2 chain, Unichain. The app chain promises faster, cheaper transaction and cross-chain interoperability according to Uniswap. Uniswap, the most popular decentralized exchange, the DEX, has launched its own application-specific layer 2 network, Unichain. Developer Uniswap Labs announced on the 10th of October. The app chain, which is still on testnet, promised to deliver faster and cheaper transactions and enhance interoperability across blockchain network, Uniswap said. Unichain will deliver the speed and cost saving already enabled by L2, but with better access to liquidity across chain and more decentralization, Hayden Adams, Uniswap Labs CEO, said in a statement. That's good to see. And because of that, Uniswap books 25% weekly profit heading into Unichain launch. Uniswap defies the market-wide sell-off by posting a 10% gain after the launch of Unichain. Usually, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, but Uniswap looks like it's buy the rumor, buy the news, because while rallying to higher values, Uniswap is trading above $8. Just some weeks ago, we saw Uniswap dumping to as low as $4.7. That was on the 5th of August, 2024. Right now, Uniswap is up since that dump in August. Uniswap has seen a 73% increase in now 63 days. That's good to see. But guys, Uniswap is still far from its all-time highs. Uniswap all-time highs came in way back in 2021 when Uniswap was trading at a $43 mark. We saw Uniswap reaching that high level. 2021 was a crazy time in the cryptocurrency market. But since then, guys, Uniswap has been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. First finding resistance at the $30 level. Then we found more resistance around that $16 level. That was way back in December of 2021. We had to take 3 years before Uniswap could gather itself and rally back to that $16 level. Right now, the line in the sand is $16 level. We turn to Uniswap's launch of their own chain to help us rally Uniswap's price above that $16 level. Another reason why we might see Uniswap having that rally in the coming days and the coming weeks is that Bitcoin dominance is showing some little weakness. Historically, that has been good for the altcoin market. Historically, that might send altcoins pumping to the moon. That might send us to eventually see that alt-season pump that we've been looking for. The alt-season pump right now is looking very elusive. We're waiting for alt-season year on end right now. We saw a little taste of all season in 2024. That's when Uniswap got to that $16 level. I believe if we see another wave of all coins pumping aggressively before the end of 2024, Uniswap will join in that party. Most meme coins are going to be launched on Uniswap. They're going to be trading on Uniswap. Expect to see Uniswap having exponential gains. But remember, guys, you're here to make some profits. You're here to buy the lows. You're here to sell the highs. We are not here to be shouting we're going to the moon forever. The market doesn't last forever. The market is going to have down periods. We're going to have another bear market. That's a guarantee. In the nearest future, there's going to be another huge bear market. In the nearest future, there's going to be more opportunities to buy Uniswap at a cheaper price. So the higher we go, guys, the more you take some liquidity out of the market. The higher we go, the more you keep some money, because if you want to buy down the bear market and you don't have some liquidity, you are just deceiving yourself. That's the number one way to win in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's a lot of fear going around the altcoin market. Even though Uniswap is thriving, we'll expect to see an exponential increase in the price of Uniswap when sentiment in the market starts improving. Right now, there's fear on the daily time frame, there's fear on the weekly time frame, there's fear on the monthly time frame. I will not be shocked to see us return to greed, and when we return to greed, I'll not be shocked to see Uniswap flying, rallying above $8, maybe finally giving the $16 level a run for its money. But with this bullish news right now, expect to see more bids coming in, expect to see more news about Uniswap in going around the ecosystem. But don't get carried away, guys. Don't get carried away. And there's a tendency to get carried away when prices are going in the right direction. There's a tendency to expect prices to continue going in that right direction. Remember, nothing goes up forever. If we're pumping right now, there's a big dump around the corner. Uniswap has not been performing well against Bitcoin since when it got to its top in 2021. Against the king of the market, Bitcoin, Uniswap had dumped Goblin Town, losing value drastically, losing 88% of its value. The last few weeks has seen Uniswap try to gain some value against Bitcoin. Hopefully, we can sustain this rally against Bitcoin for the next 3 to 4 weeks. All coins might rally against Bitcoin, but eventually they'll give up all those gains. As Uniswap has been dumping against Bitcoin since 2021, we've seen some rallies along the way, but those rallies have eventually led us down to Goblin Town. Remember, the last significant rally Uniswap had was in 2022, where we saw it outperforming Bitcoin by around 178% in 84 days. Since then, Bitcoin has been the king of the market. That's why you want to pay attention to Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, guys, expect that to have an impact on the altcoin market. Expect to see Uniswap start rallying to higher values. I will not be shocked if we can finally break above that $16 level. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Uniswap right now? Uniswap has launched their own layer 2 chain. Do you think this is a bullish news? Do you think that will shoot the token price to the moon? How high do you think Uniswap token can go in the coming days and coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.